Hello, everyone. Let's see. I think everybody's usually where they are. They're over there. Kiki is just, you never know. You never know about him. Yep, he's back there in the back, but you can't see him. Yeah. So, few things to talk about. Sorry. One was Sunday's video. That was unexpected, to say the least. Imagine my surprise. Okay. So Sunday afternoon, right after lunch. Imagine my surprise. I'm scrolling through Facebook, you know, and all of a sudden I'm staring at my own face. And it took me a few seconds to figure out why. So I did not expect at all for him to do that. But I was nervous. In fact, I was very nervous. Because I wasn't sure if people would be nice. But people have been. People have been very nice, both on my channel and on Max's Facebook page. So, and I just looked, and I'm up to 200, almost 240 views on my video, which is I think that beats the previous record holder, which was the video where I opened up my when I won the well, again, it has to do with Max. When my name was drawn for the, what was that, 250,000 subscribers, was that it? 200,000 subscribers? Anyway, so I think this beats that one, but I haven't checked yet. So I gained 7 new subscribers. I don't know if any of them are watching right now. If you are, hi. So I'm gonna speak to those people if any of them are actually watching. But I'm gonna speak to those people right now. So these are Wednesday videos, which can be anything, whatever my imagination comes up with. A lot of it talking. Sometimes once in a while I take you on a field trip to show you something, or I talk about a lot of times I talk about the animals. I may tell a story. I may have like show and tell, demonstration. I've done a couple cooking videos, snack box, taste testing videos from around the world. Those are fun. Everybody loves those. But I also have a lot less views on those videos. They're a little longer, and I think more people like the song videos, which is okay. Also to you, if there's any new people here, as far as the sound videos go, I do take requests, and or I at least will consider all requests. I can't do all of them. If it's a song that YouTube just won't allow, or if content, one guy once asked for Coward of the County, and I said, I really don't want to do that song because of what happens in the story in the song. So Yeah. I'm looking at Daisy. She's sleeping on the floor, on the hard floor in the kitchen, and I think the only reason why is because there's a tiny little sunspot, and she loves her sunspots. So, anyway, so that's all that. And so this all I have planned for Sunday is completely different, and so I'll see how that goes when I start start filming it pretty soon here. 2 more things. Well, 3 more things. I just got the clue. Speaking of the Yum Box, I just got the clue for the next location. This would be the box after the box that I have 2 boxes sitting over there, so it would be for the box that comes after that. Anyway, I just got the clue, and if the people who were guessing, if they're right, they even said this is a place that they have never been to. So they have never represented this country in a Yum Box. So I'm excited. And yeah, because I have no idea. I have no idea what those people eat. So okay, so there's those 2 things. That thing. Then I got mail today. I ordered this. I think and I think this is, yeah, I think this is what I think I know what this is. Hold on. Yep. So they didn't come as a set, but they're kind of like a set. This is the necklace. Earrings look just like it. But the cool thing about these is that the middle is the actual, let's see, it's the actual middle of a sunflower in like epoxy or whatever. So I thought that was pretty cool. So I wanted to show you. And then of course so here's the earrings, but I got a mystery item, which I think I remember. So, these are cute. They're earrings also. Bee on honey. So that's cute. Okay. The last thing I wanted to say was, so in the last couple months I've been to a lot of celebrations of life. And there was one that I went to. He was I think he was 99 years old. and he liked to joke around that he was past his expiration date, and he died of natural old age, not of COVID. And I could say a lot about him, but I won't because of time. But when we arrived, his celebration of life was actually at an outdoor amphitheater. There was a reason for this. And when I got there, everybody was handed a twig, which I thought was kind of strange. But well, so they explained that. Okay, so this is the twig of a cottonwood tree. And for those of you who know about cottonwood trees, you know about cottonwood trees. For those of you who don't know about cottonwood trees, first of all, we have them. We have several of them in our backyard, and there's many of them around in the neighborhood. These trees get tall, they grow fast, but their claim to fame is late spring, I think. They will grow and then drop clumps of cotton. And, before the clumps drop, they will release the cotton, and it will look like it's snowing outside. And the cotton will gather in the grass and so on. And then when that's done, then the clumps fall that came from, and they're very messy. Both my neighbors hate them because they're obsessive with their lawns. And and of course, they fall on their lawns, and they neither one of them have cottonwood trees. So so I have heard this about cottonwood trees, but I've never investigated further. And tell me if you've heard this, but if you take a cottonwood tree branch, and you cut it in the right spot, inside there is a star. Isn't that cool? So, and that's why they gave everybody a twig. 12 minutes, almost 13 minutes. And I'm going to end this video with a picture. Last week I was talking about my neighbor who is obsessed with, like I said, obsessed with his lawn. And I've seen him mowing the lawn in the rain, in the dark, and in the snow. And a lot of you were like, mowing the lawn in the snow. I have pictures. I'm going to post them at the end of this video to show you. I still have them. I know he doesn't watch, and so, yeah, I took him from my standing over there in front of the window. So, and I believe that's all I have to say. So, I got to get to filming the other video. So I will see you around, and see you in the comments. Bye.